Welcome to Cooking with Remi. Today we are going to make French chocolate and vanilla petit pot. Hi, I'm Remi. Do you like to cook? I like to cook. I'm gonna do recipes with you that you could do it at home with your mom and dad. My dad is a chef, and I'm gonna do recipes for you. We have vanilla, we have milk, we have sugar, we have chocolate, we have egg yolk. These are the ingredients to make petit pot. If you don't have vanilla pod, you could use vanilla extra. And if you don't have a thing like this, you can use a thing like this. If you have one. Now we're going to open the vanilla. Hard. I know. Actually, not really. It smells strong. Now, we are going to take out the seeds. They're tiny seeds. Very tiny, like this. And don't cut it. You take it and you put it in the milk. I didn't know it was like that. And I thought it was like big. Actually, it's really small.
The best is to use a knife like this, and you press, and you see all that in there.
Wow, thanks. Wow. Now we're gonna boil the milk. While the milk is boiling, I'm gonna whisk the eggs. Now I'm gonna pour the sugar in to the egg yolk. All of it. Lot of sugar. Mix. What's that smell? It's the vanilla in the milk. Smells good. Very good. I think it's enough now. we're gonna whisk more. Use those muscles. Muscle whisking. Now that the milk is ready, we have the vanilla seeds ready also. You need a help of an adult to pour the milk while you're whisking. Smells good. We're adding the milk a little at the time. It smells even good. I would like to try it when it's ready. We are going to pour the mixture on the chocolate. Not all of it, because you remember, it's French chocolate and vanilla petit pot. Whew. I need a help here. It's a little bit hot, or maybe not. Like that, the chocolate is gonna melt. And now here, ooh, it's already melting. It melts fast. Ooh, wow. Smells good. The color is changing to brown because we put the chocolate. Don't you see? Now we're gonna pour the two mixtures in. This. I think I will need a little thing. This. Whoops, I can't hold with this hand. Can I do it? Now we're gonna pour the two mixtures in to the petit pot. Yum, 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 yum. Oopsie doops. Okay, you're gonna go in there. You're gonna go in there. You're gonna go. This was a little bit too much. All of this in here. That one's gonna be big. What? This one's gonna be mine. Now, we're gonna put the water in here. Like have to put water in here.
So they cook evenly.
Even.
Don't put the water, the heat is too strong from the bottom, so they don't cook inside.
Mmm.
Perfect.
Very cool.
And now we're going to do what?
Now we're gonna bake them.
For 40 minutes at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit.
I can't wait to eat it. Welcome back. The petit pot was not quite ready enough, so we added 10 more minutes. You need a total of 50 minutes. And you need to let it cool down in the oven. With the oven off. Now we are gonna eat it. Whoops, I already ate the big one. Yum. Yum. Bon appétit les amis. Very good.